Hi class, welcome to week 8 of EMDD 101, Usability Engineering. We have finally gotten to the fifth and final user experience competency. Let's dive into what it's all about. So usability engineering is all about testing the usability of a design and improving that design to make it more usable. And when I say usability, I'm talking about the ability of a person to figure out how to use a design to accomplish what the design is supposed to help them accomplish in a way that is not annoying, troublesome, difficult, something in a way that's easy, basically. Can a person use the design to its intended purpose easily without having to put a lot of effort into doing so? So I think usability is really well exemplified in poor examples. One of the kind of ironies I think of usability is it's really obvious when something is not usable. It's less obvious. It feels less obvious, I think, when something is usable because you don't think about it, which is kind of the goal of usability, right? That you don't have to think, that you can just use the design. It makes sense. You can do it. You can guide yourself through it. You can accomplish what you need to accomplish with the design. And it doesn't occur to you whether it's usable or not because it's so easy and you just go through it and you're focused on the task at hand and what you're using the design for rather than whether the thing is usable or not. So a usability fail, I think, can be a really good example of usability. Is something more trouble, is a design more trouble than it's worth when using it? So let's watch this example. So pretty poor example of usability, right? And the usability of that kiosk is poor because of the bad design decisions that were made. Why, for example, would the designer of this kiosk choose to show a talk to an agent button when the agent isn't there? The system knows the agent isn't there because it tells the user, hey, no one's here right now. Why would it show a button saying talk to an agent if it knows there's no agent to talk to? What is the designer trying to show with the picture of the Connect card in the corner? Why put that picture? It doesn't seem to do anything. Why does the designer make the screen say press the begin rental button when there is no begin rental button? Or was that supposed to be a button and it's broken? It's just really confusing. And then why did the designer choose to give this person who's taking this video a Connect card if there's no purpose to the Connect card? The card doesn't do anything with the kiosk, so why would they be shown that they need a Connect card to use this kiosk? It doesn't really seem like they do. So usability engineering is all about planning for and evaluating how usable a design is. So when you're making design decisions, trying to make good decisions that are going to make for good usability as opposed to bad decisions that make for poor usability. And then also testing and evaluating whether the design is usable. So being aware as you're designing of what's usable and what's not, and then testing it to see if you got it right. That's what usability engineering is all about.